capital all over the world. We want to thank you for this occasion. We are beginning with you. We are going to end up with you. And we want to give you praise and honor, because by the end of 5 years, Father, it will be possible for us to come back here to praise you and honor you for the success, development, prosperity, cohesion, and your favor. We thank you and we honor you, for we know this is done. In Jesus' precious name we pray. Amen.
Let's all be seated, please.
Kuna nuru gizani kweli, eh? Safi, kwa sasa maombi yamekwisha. Tafadhali wanahabari tunaomba msonge nyuma, alafu afisa wa usalama kindly facilitate this.
Your Excellency the President.
Wanahabari naomba tafadhali tusonge nyuma.
Your Excellency the President-elect of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto. Your Excellency Governor-elect Nairobi County, Mheshimiwa Johnson Sakaja. Your Excellency outgoing Governor of Nairobi County, Madam Kanana. Your Excellencies, Diplomatic Corps represented here. Members of Parliament represented. Honorable MCAs present. Other members of government present. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this, let me say, auspicious occasion. As we see a new dawn in as far as Nairobi County is concerned. Order, hope,
integrity, opportunities.
Before we hand this program over to the registrar, let me hand over to Masawe Japani to introduce our flagship performance.
Kwa kweli hakuna sherehe bila burudani, na kipindi hiki mimi kama mtangazaji wa redio Masawe Japani jina langu, ningependa kumkaribisha msanii anayesifika hapa nchini Kenya, msanii wa kizazi kipya, Nyashinski. The stage is yours. Makofi tafadhali.
Yeah. Whoa. Nairobi, how you feeling? We making it touch your soul, take you to a place you never been before. Africa tunaikamia tu. I'm Kenyan, so you know I'm a. Unaishiaje vi basic, nika kesho iko promise. Takune rasitesi, napenda album ya Chronics. Nyuma yangu na wanaomba niende mbali, wanakungoje udedi, wende wagawe mali. I'm currently not in a position to kill poverty. Sina kitu kwa M-Pesa, usini hale please. Natafuta kitu in many different currencies. Blank check disease, wipe kidai shopping twende overseas. Mekam na gari kubwa, let me show my keys. Nazeka juu ya meza uone emblem daddy. Window steamer wacha kenjen nani. Keep jogging, keep jogging. Keep jogging, keep jogging. Keep jogging, keep jogging. So I live my life. Can't let nobody live my life for me. Can't let nobody run me out. Can't let nobody run me out. Hata siwe unalipa, kuna erasitesi. Napenda album ya Isa kama patonge kwanza. Nani atatupe mkwanja tu. Hakuna kitu ya
I am overwhelmed by the faith you have expressed in my leadership, and I can only reciprocate your goodwill by dedicating each and every day to serving you diligently for the next 5 years. Let me also take this opportunity to express my gratitude to you for turning out in large numbers to peacefully vote in the just concluded general elections. The men and women who overwhelmingly and voted for me and the rest of the members who are here today and the rest of Kenya are truly the champions of Kenya today. It is said that no man is an island, and therefore I did not accomplish this alone. The stakeholders who did this to ensure that we have victory had very many teams who played various roles in ensuring that we get where we are today. I'll start by thanking my family, led by my dear wife who is here today, for supporting me right from the house to the office and to the campaign field, which was not a joke. I also want to thank the leaders who are here today, have been elected, for accompanying me in the campaign trail and working together. And also I want to thank the dedicated supporters, the Kenya team and Kenya Kwanza and the UDA team for standing with us during the campaign period. In particular, I'm very grateful to my secretariat and all the teams that ensured that we had organized well-oiled campaign that was full of peace and with godly manners in the campaign trail. I will not forget to thank our party leader, the President-elect, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for the support he gave us and allowing us to run on his party, and even those who are not in his party affiliated to the same in Tharaka Nithi County. I will not forget to thank the IEBC, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, for spearheading a free, fair, credible, and transparent general election that has seen the results that we have today. An election is a competition of ideas where the majority normally have their way and the minority have their say. And I want to call all the leaders, because the politics have just ended with elections, to join me in building this county, because regardless of your political affiliations, all other differences, we are one people and we serve the same person. In Tharaka Nithi, we refer to her as Shambai, and in the rest of the Kenya, they call her Wanjiku. These 5 years, our theme for the next 5 years is leaving no one behind in our administration. For the past 5 years, many administrations set up systems, and we have tried to build infrastructure through close consultation and in very organized synergy with the communities. It is evident and it is visible that we have infrastructure throughout the county which is not questionable. Even those who had the doubt can clearly see and agree with our slogan, Reune Medho. In the health sector in Tharaka Nithi County, we established new outpatient units in Chuka, in Marimanti, in Magutuni, and also built very many dispensaries. In the agriculture sector, we embarked on free certified seed distribution program and also set a very functional artificial insemination subsidized program that has borne fruits with our dairy farmers today. In the trade sector, we have constructed over 10 modern markets and over 300 market stores. On road and infrastructure, we have built over 50 bridges. We have tarmacked over 45 kilometers of roads, and even done other roads that were not tarmac but just paved and marked. In the education sector, we have constructed over 150 classrooms, and we have also built politics. However, in this year, we are asking ourselves, in the next 5 years, how did these projects impact on our community? Because they are just infrastructure programs. In these 5 years, with our theme of leaving no one behind, we want to ensure that these programs has an impact on the lives of our people. It is now time to feel and touch and experience what we have put in place. Because a hospital, which is just a building with no patient who has ever been healed there, a road that's leading to a bridge which is beautiful but is inaccessible, a market that is standing tall like the one we've seen around here for Kadwana but has nothing to sell there, remains nothing as just infrastructure. So these 5 years, we want to make sure that we connect our people to the infrastructure we have built to ensure that they benefit from what has been put together with their taxpayers' money. Those who may have lost me, we have built many dispensaries. But a dispensary without a laboratory will not serve the purpose, because that person still has to be referred to a bigger hospital for them to have the laboratory services. We are saying now it is time to go back and ensure that those small dispensaries will have their own laboratories and ensure that all the services are one-stop shop so that we can maximize on delivery of service to the people. We'll ensure also that people have adequate quality produce to sell in the markets, because now most of the markets are there. We will also maintain roads to ensure smooth transportation. We will continue to improve the quality of learning through equipping, training and staffing ECDE centers as well as vocational training centers. These and more interventions are geared towards ensuring that we leave no one behind, and that we are effectively going to bridge the gap between the communication with Shambai, because it is evident that the last 5 years, even though we tried so much and we buried ourselves in development, we must agree that we can do better in ensuring that our people have better communication with the government so that we do not leave anybody behind. My administration worked very hard to bridge the gap between the government and the people that we serve, and we will continue doing this in the next 5 years. I am saying this because despite the fact that we have a government that runs all the way to the village, by now we must be aware that we have people called community health volunteers who are roots on the ground. We have our sub-county administrators and the ward administrators. However, our government is still not able to know in one day that we had a newborn last night in a certain village. And that is where we want to go. We want to be able to plan for that child who is born the previous day when we do plans after 3 days. That can only be possible if we have a seamless communication between the government and the people. And that is where we are heading. We, as a government, and others who contribute on their business to be able to take care of their families. As your leader, I promise that I will have a conversation and we will remain united to find an understanding our challenges together so that we can be able to seek solutions, ensuring that we leave no one behind. In the last 5 years, Shambai, popularly known as Wanjiko in the rest of Kenya, has faced communication gaps between ourselves and our service providers. The executive who I represent here today pledged that we shall bridge that gap to the extent that we'll no longer be having people going on a rampage and demonstrating, and the government gets to hear about it in the media. That will be a thing of the past, because we will not only have communication, but we'll ensure that we have effective communication all the way from the grassroots to the office of the governor itself. In the last 5 years, I have had some times to do an intervention that did not get approval of most people. Late last year, I disguised myself as an old man, as a patient, and walked into Chuka Hospital, the outpatient. And some people said that I was doing Mashangi, which is a comedian. But I want to guarantee you that after I did Mashangi, or a disguised comedian, or an old man in Chuka Referral Hospital, the services improved, as is evident today. If I have to come to every service in the next 5 years to ensure that there will be improvement in service, I will. If I have to play Mashangi in every department, I will do it. In the next 5 years, I will call the helpline, which is popularly known as 1513, and I will disguise myself as a Mashangi farmer, because I would like to know how you treat the farmers. I will come to set points where we collect revenue in Kedaga, in Kanoa, in Kituo.
Tocokeri gatha cia mwanya niguthi na mbere na kunyitana na ithuĩ niĩ njĩtagwo mũriki wa mũcoki tũgũtwara nawe ũguo nginya rĩrĩa irĩ handa thaa 8 cia mĩaraho. Ndĩra tũgũtware kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KICC kũrĩa gavana mũthure Johnson Sakaja arehĩtithirio nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KICC. Tũgũtware kũu tũthikĩrĩrie igongona.
Proceed and read the oath of office.
Thank you. I need the microphone. I, Sakaja Arthur Johnson, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Governor of Nairobi County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
So the governor will now sign the oath of office in triplicate. The governor shall also sign the certificate of inauguration, again in triplicate. Sorry. And pursuant to Section 38 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, as read with the Regulations 34(1) of the Leadership and Integrity Regulations 2015, the governor will sign a commitment to the General Leadership and Integrity Code. Here. Those ones are two. And now the judge will commission the same. date. This one not being dated. Here. This one's a 2.
Ha ha ha, tumeuona mkono wake Bwana.
Mengi mazuri tumeyaona, Mungu umetenda, ni kweli wewe muweza. Ulitamka vitu vikawa, neno tulatosha, ukisema umetenda. Kawatoa utumwani, watumishi wako umewapa yote waombayo, ikiwa umependezwa.
Uamualo hakuna wa kulipinga, hakika wewe ni Mungu
wa vyote.
Unatawala dunia na vilivyomo, makuu umeyatenda
Jehova.
Hakika
tumeuona mkono wako Bwana, kweli matendo yako Bwana ni makuu mno. Na umetutoa mbali kweli, ukatushika mkono Mungu, mahali uliona pekee. Chini hata juu, watu unawainua Mungu, sifa na utukufu ni zako milele. Na tutakusifu jina lako Baba, tutakusifu kweli daima, wewe mwema, tutaishi kwako. Tumeuona Baba mkono wako Bwana, kweli matendo yako Bwana ni makuu mno. Na umetutoa mbali kweli.
Tũcokerie ngatho nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyitana ithuĩ mbica icio ũrona nĩ magongona ma kwĩhĩtithio kwa magavana thĩinĩ wa kaunti itiganĩte magĩthiĩ na mbere kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi. Johnson Sakaja igongona rĩririkana rĩrũgamagĩrĩrwo nĩ mũcirithania wa igoti inene nĩrĩo High Court thĩinĩ wa kaunti ciothe kũrĩa magavana megũkorwo makĩhĩtithio, tiga kũrĩa gĩthurano gĩtatabanĩtio kaunti-inĩ cia Kakamega na nginya Mombasa. Twĩ kũrĩa na njĩra ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi, kaunti-inĩ ya Gĩthii, mwena waku wa thĩ, mwena wa ũmotho kũu nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kwale. Mwena wore nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kwale na mwena wa ũmotho nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Uasin Gishu. Magongona macio magĩthiĩ na mbere na meharĩrĩria kana kũharĩrĩrio. Ririkana kũringana na watho, magavana ma kaunti ciothe tiga kũrĩa kwĩrĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Mombasa na Kakamega kũrĩa gĩthurano kana ithurano itatabanĩtio, magongona macio no nginya matabanio gatagatĩ ga thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ na thaa 8 cia mĩaraho. No nginya gavana akorwo ehĩtithĩtio gatagatĩ ka mathaa macio kuringana na wathani kirona kuria kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni thaa 5 hitukitie ndagika cigana ona ketugutware ku
I, James Njoroge Mushiri, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Nairobi County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Thank you. We also welcome you to sign the oath of office. Come here. Should sign in triplicate.
Munini wa gavana muthure James Mushiri wa kaunti ya Nairobi nake niuga mehitwa yake na ekira kirore ririkana thutha wao guthurwo mehitithagio mari hamwe igongona riria ario nginya rirugamirirwo ni mucirithania wa igoti inene na no nginya ritafanio gatagati ga thaa 4 na thaa 8 cia miaraho. Thutha ucio ni megukorwo makinengerwo kiria tugiuga ni matumu ma utongoria ni gavana uri uruma wa kaunti yo thini wa kaunti ya Nairobi and Kananu. Ririkana atwikire gavana thutha wa Mike Mbuvi Sonko uria wari gavana kuhagurwo thini wa kaunti ya Nairobi no gukorwo akinengera na riu matumu ma utongoria kuri gavana muthure na riu kuma haha ona igongona riri riathira thutha yake kwihitithio kira kirore certificate ya gwitikira ati ni ekirite kirore niwe riu gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi egutiga gutuika gavana muthure atuike gavana. Haya, igongona riri undu ungi kuringana na watho no nginya ritafanio muingi-ini. Oguo ni kuga kana kiria gitumite watho uteterithie na utarĩrie horo uyu ni gukorwo aria mandikire gatiba mendaga kweheria uhoro wa hihi mundu gukorwo akihitithia wobici-ini yake gakorwo kari kagongona kanini. Igongona rigatafanirio muingi-ini kana handu muingi ungihota gwikinya nigetha muingi uria wathurire gavana uria uraingira andu moke mekire uira ati ni ehitithitio na ni ekirite kirore arita gavana mweru wa kaunti iyo. Gukune thini wa kaunti ya Nairobi tukoto gutwara kaunti-ini ingi itiganite. Guko ni kuria kaunti-ini ya Garissa igongona riri onario rigukorwo rikirugamirirwo ni mucirithania wa igoti nene nirio High Court na kumana na uhoro ucio wa uria watho ugite iguru uria magongona maya magĩrĩirwo gukorwo magĩterebwo. Uguo ni kuonania magongona maya marathii na mbere rita rimwe kana ihinda-ini rimwe. Guku thini wa kaunti ya Nairobi wona gavana muthure Johnson Sakaja agikira kirore wakora kuria kaunti-ini ingi magavana ma kaunti icio na muno guo mareka tondu ni ohe ni mathaa. Wona tuona thauti twara kuria kaunti-ini ya Garissa kahinda gatari haraya nigetha tuthikiririe uria igongona riu rirathi na mbere kuria thini wa kaunti ya Garissa. Nitoko tugutararia ati igongona rino nginya ritafanio muingi-ini na thutha ucio gavana ni akuheo certificate ya gukionania ati ni ekirite mihitwa na ni ekirite kirore arita gavana wa kaunti iyo. Gavana uria rauma nake ni agarire gwikinya thini wa igongona riri no kuringana na watho ona angiaga gwikinya thini wa igongona riri tikuga gavana uria wehitithio ndekuoya utongoria wa kaunti iyo. Uguo ni kuga gavana uria rauma ni itua riake kana ni egwikinya thini wa igongona riri kana ndegwikinya. Angikorwo ni egwitikira gwikinya ekunengira gavana mweru federa ya county yo amunengere kindu twitaga na githungu county coat of arms na amunengere gatiba na kindu tugutaririo hano wakiri kahinda gatari haraya county public seal ya county iyo uguo ni kuonania thutha ucio ukimunengera indo icio kana matuma macio ma utongoria federa ya county na nginya gatiba gatagate ka indo ingi irita njira ya gukionania riu niwe governor mweru wa county iyo no uhoro ucio korwo kihanika angikorwo kuri na governor urouma no ungi mweru akaingira wathanini no ngikorwo governor uria urari ho no urathii na mbere na gutereba kana kurugamirira county iyo hatikoragwo kana kanya kau ga kunengerwo federa ya county gatiba kaundu kau gatikoragwo ho undu ungi ingira toko tugitararia ni ati magongona maya mothe makoretwo makiharirio ni kamiti ya mwanya kamiti iria ciumbagwo kuria thiini wa county na ikoragwo ikirugamirirwo ni mwandiki munene wa county kana niwe county secretary no okoragwo ari chairman wa committee ikoretwo kibanga maundu maya mothe na committee ya mwanya ni iri amemba meho matiganite no ginya wakiri wa county akorwo ho no ginya afitha uri orugamiririe horo wigie waranirie thini wa county yo akorwo ho no ginya afitha wa kigina tukiaria horo wa afitha CC wa kigina wa county yo ni umwe wa amemba aria makoragwo thini wa county no ningi afitha uri orugamirire maundu megie unduire no ginya akorwo thini wa kana ni mumemba thini wa committee no amemba aria angi mari thini wa committee ici iria iri kuria county ni committee cia mwanya cia kuhariria na gutafarira magongona maya ma kuhitithia magavana no ginya ningi hakona murugamiriri wa ministry ya thirikari cia matura kana ministry ya devolution na county commissioner wa county iyo ningi ona ke no ginya akorwo thini wa committee ino hoge iria ingi irugamagirwo thini wa committee ya mwanya ya gutereba kuhitithio kwa magavana ni ruhonge rwa ugaciro no ginya hakona afitha wa county wa ruhonge rwa ugaciro National Intelligence Service ona ke ni arugamirwo thini wa committee ino ya mwanya karani wa bunge ya county ona ke ni mumemba wa committee ino na no ginya hagikorwo na afitha wa ruhonge rwa magoti na afitha wa ruhonge rwa magoti kwa ihinda riri ni mucirithania uria uri kuo wa igoti inene ninge governor uria urathurwo onake ena mweke wa gukorwo agithura kana agicagura andu aria onake angienda makorwo mari thini wa committee ino na kuringana na watho ena mweke wa kwamura kana wa gucagura andu eri umwe muthuri no cio ngi ari mutumia kana umwe ari mundurume na mutumia makorwo thini wa committee ino ya mwanya iria ikoretwo igitereba magongona maya ma kwihitithia governor umwe wa maundu maria committee ino yagiriirwo gukorwo igika ni guikara ikimenyithagia muingi wa county yo kiria kirathi na mbere igongona riu rigatafanirio ku ni andu igana magekinya thini wa kiharo kiu mutatara wa guikara thi ugakorwo utariate maundu macio mothe no nginya muingi uikare ukimenyithagio kana ni na njira ya kwaraniria na andikia mohoro kana ni kugiaga na mishemanio thini wa county haha na haria nigetha andu maikare mataukeirwo ni uria igongona riu rirabangwo riratafarirwo no ria rigukorwo rigithii na mbere kiria giatumire uhoro uyu wa kwihitithia atongoria kana aria mahotana ituro itiganite mutataro ucio korwo gicenjia kuma mwaka wa 2013 ni gatiba njeru ni njira ya kurehe mwihoko kana kuonia muingi gutiri undu urahithirirwo gutiri undu utaratafanio mutekumenya kurathi atia kana muingi utekumenya kurathi atia nikio kuma mwaka wa 2010 no nginya magongona mothe makwihitithio kwa atongoria kuria thini wa county na nginya giturwa gia president igongona riu no nginya ritafanio mathaine ma miaraho ona gutuika kwina cira kuria igoti ni itugiru kuringana uria itua ria igoti rigukorwo ritari thutha ucio uria wakorwo akihitithio ta president wa bururi wa Kenya mutatara utoyo noguo ukarumirirwo nigo gakorwo na committee ya mwanya iria gakorwo ikibanga horo wigie waraniria wa urio kouma urio raingira na no nginya hitithio kiharo-ini kia muingi gatagati kana gukinya thaa inyanya cia mĩaraho. Tũgũika twĩgũtwaraga kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ itiganĩte nĩgetha tũkũmenyithie na njĩra ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe ũrĩa magongona maya marathiĩ na mbere. Mbere ya tũkũmenyithĩtie wakiri ũrĩa twĩ nake gũkũ studio mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, ngwendaga gũgũtarĩria mahinya kana mawĩra ma kamĩtĩ ĩno ya mwanya. Wĩra wayo wa mbere nĩ gũkorwo ĩkĩbanga mũtaratara wa igongona rĩrĩ toguo twatarĩria hau kabere. Ũndũ ũcio ũngĩ nĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ gavana mũthure ena ũgitĩri wa kũigana kana ũgitĩri wake nĩ mũgacĩrithie mbere ya ehĩtithĩtio nĩgetha atuĩke gavana. Ũndũ ũcio ũngĩ ningĩ nĩ kũmenyithia gavana mũthure igũrũ rĩa ũrĩa maũndũ makoretwo magĩthiĩ na mbere kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa kaunti. Ũtonga wa kaunti ũigana atĩa na ũtonga ũcio wĩkũ. Mathirĩ ma kaunti ĩno gavana mũthure gũkorwo akĩoerera mathirĩ ma kaunti ĩyo ningĩ namo maikaire atĩa. Thirikari ya kaunti ĩrĩa gavana ũyũ mũthure ekwĩhĩtithio nĩgetha atuĩke gavana rĩ, thirikari ĩrĩ department cigana, ĩna aruti wĩra igana, nĩ mĩtaratara ĩrĩkũ ya ũthii wa na mbere ĩkoretwo ĩgĩterebwo ĩkinyĩte ha, nĩ ĩrĩkũ mĩrĩku, nĩ ĩrĩkũ ĩtigarĩte na ĩtigarĩte na gĩcunjĩ kĩigana atĩa. Maya no mamwe ma maũndũ marĩa gavana mũthure amenyithagio mbere yake gũkĩhĩtithio nĩgetha atuĩke gavana. Ũndũ ũcio ũngĩ ningĩ nĩ akoragwo akĩmenyithio igũrũ rĩa macira marĩa marĩ kana mahutĩtie macira marĩa mahutĩtie kaunti ĩyo, macira marĩa marĩ igoti-inĩ. Thirikari ya kaunti hii nĩ thitangĩte rũhonge rũna kana mwena mũna kana nĩ thitangĩtwo. No nginya gavana ũyũ mũthure akorwo akĩmenyithio. Ũndũ ũcio ũngĩ nĩ mbeca cia kaunti ĩno iria kaunti ĩno ĩgayagĩrwo nĩ thirikari nene kana iria ciothe ingĩkorwo ikiuma kũrĩ arĩa maheaga kaunti mbeca arĩa twĩtaga donors. Gavana mũthure no nginya akorwo akĩmenyithio igũrũ rĩa maũndũ maya mothe mbere yake kwĩhĩtithio. Ndĩrenda tũgũtware mbica-inĩ icio ũrona mwena waku wa ũmotho kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Mandera, tũthikĩrĩrie igongona rĩa kwĩhĩtithio kwa gavana wa kaunti ĩno.
That I shall always truly and diligently serve the people
and the Republic of Kenya
in the office of the Deputy Governor
of
Mandera County,
that I shall diligently discharge
my duties
and perform my functions
in the said office,
and that I will do justice
to all
in accordance with the Constitution
and
the laws of Kenya, without fear or favor or affection or ill will. So help me God. Congratulations once again. May you have a seat at the table with the honorable judge. We're going to sign the oath of office and also the declaration under the Leadership and Integrity Act.
Ishene bishashia imwe kuwa mwairi ramukira kuma kuria kaunti cia Mandera na nginya kaunti ya Nairobi. Kuria kaunti ya Nairobi ni kurikiria mararikiria igongona riu thutha wa Johnson Sakaja riu kwihitithio thutha wake gwikira kirore riu Johnson Sakaja niwe governor mweru wa kaunti ya Nairobi. Mwana uyu waku wa umotho Governor Mohamed Aidan Khalif nake agitongorio ni mushirithania wa igoti nene nake ni hindi arekira kirore maratathi market ko mwena wa umotho kuu ni kaunti ya Naroko tuko twikwadikira hau kuria turi kuu ni kaunti ya Naroko. Governor wa kaunti no ya Naroko Governor Tunai nake kaunti ya Naroko mundu Patrick Olentutu niwe urehitithio Governor Tunai kule thiini wa kaunti ya Naroko niwe urari governor hau kabere uria urahotanire thiini wa gitura kia governor thiini wa kaunti ya Naroko ni mundu ugitwo Patrick Olentutu na arahotanire na kiama kia UDA. Thutha ucio magavana nimegukorwo makihana ndumiriri ciao cia uhotani kana speech ciao cia gugitikira uria mekurutira muingi wa kaunti wira. Ntuko twigutwara thiini wa kaunti itiganite nigetha twikumenyithia uria magongona maya megukorwo magithii na mbere. Na ririkana kiria kiratuma wone magavana maya makihitithio muthenya wa umuthi mothe thiini wa kaunti ciothe tiga kaunti cia Mombatha na kaunti ya Kakamega. Kitona kantu kuona thauti nigetha tugutware kuna njira ĩmwe kuma tuthikiririe.
The people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Wajir County. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Bica icio akorwo na hau kabere kuu ni thiini wa kaunti ya Wajir Governor Ahmed Abdullahi wa kiama kia ODM thutha wake kwihitithio hamwe na munini wake ririkana mehitithagio mari hamwe. Guku kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ni akorwo arikia kwihitithio ta governor wa kaunti ya Nairobi. Ndirona tari kwenda arenda kuheana ndumiriri yake ya uhotani ntuko gutwara kuu na njira ĩmwe kuma nigetha tuthikiririe ndumiriri yake. Ririkana mari nyumba-ini ya mishemanio ya KICC guku thiini wa kaunti ya Nairobi, naguo mwena waku wa urio kuu ni thiini wa kaunti ya Mandera ona kuona to governor ajia kwario ntugutwara kuu na njira ĩmwe kuma nigetha tuthikiririe uria governor wa kaunti ya Mandera Governor mweru Mohamed Aidan Khalif wa kaunti ya Mandera akereria muige kaunti-inĩ iyo kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi na kuo ajia kori ntugutwara kuu na toguku turi thiini wa kaunti itiganĩte ta kaunti ya Kiambu, Nyeri, Kirinyaga, Murang'a, Naikuru gatagati ga kaunti ingĩ itiganĩte ona kuo ntugutwara kuu na njĩra ĩmwe kũmenye tũkũmenyithie ũrĩa igongona rĩu rĩgũkorwo rigĩthiĩ na mbere. Magavana arĩa mehĩtithio na gũkorwo magĩtungata thĩinĩ wa kaunti iria megũkorwo makĩrũgamĩrĩra ta magavana kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 5 nginya hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2027. Harĩ magongona ma mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ kaunti ya Nairobi ĩna ũndũ wa mwanya nĩ gũkorwo wa mbere ũrĩa ũrarĩ gavana wa kaunti ĩno ya Nairobi ararĩ mutumia gavana Anne Kananu no ningĩ nake nĩgetha atuĩke gavana ti gũthurwo athurirwo nĩ mũingĩ wa kaunti ya Nairobi atuĩkire gavana thutha wa ũrĩa warĩ gavana Mike Mbuvi Sonko gũkorwo akĩhagũrwo ta gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi. Makĩria ũguo kaunti ĩno ya Nairobi nĩ ĩmwe noyo kaunti ĩrĩa wathani wayo ũratwarĩtwo rungu rwa thirikari nene. Ririkana kũringana na watho wa gatiba wathani kana ũtongoria thĩinĩ wa kaunti na ũngĩharagana kana kuoneke nĩ ũrahana ta ũratharara gatiba yathĩrĩire atĩ ũtongoria wa kaunti no ũtwarwo rungu rwa thirikari nene na nĩkĩo kaunti ya Nairobi motungata mamwe ma motungata mayo makoretwo rungu rwa NMS. Kanyamũ karĩa ũrona metha igũrũ kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Nairobi nyũmba-inĩ ya KICC kahana kena tũthimbo twĩrĩ ĩyo nĩyo ĩtagwo county seal. No nginya gavana ũrĩa ũrauma anengere gavana ũrĩa waingĩra Johnson Sakaja arĩ hamwe na mũnini wake James Mushiri nĩ manengerwo ĩrĩa twĩtaga seal ya kaunti ya Nairobi. Ningĩ thutha ũcio nĩ ekũnengerwo gatiba na gatiba icio nĩcio icio aranengerwo hau. Ririkana mũtaratara ũyũ wothe ũrona ũgĩthiĩ na mbere gũkũ mwena waku wa mũthe thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Nairobi nĩguo ũgũkorwo ũkĩrũmĩrĩrwo thĩinĩ wa kaunti ciothe kũrĩa magavana megũkorwo makĩhĩtithio tiga kũrĩa tu gavana ũrĩa ũrarĩ ho nowe wahotana. Kwa mũhiano kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Nyeri gavana Mutahi Kahiga nĩwe ũkoretwo arĩ gavana. Koguo igongona rĩrĩ kana rĩu haha tũrĩ thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Nairobi harĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ kũnengerwo seal ya kaunti na nginya gatiba kunengerwo matũmũ ma ũtongoria. Ũhoro ũcio ndũgũgĩkorwo ũgĩthiĩ na mbere tondũ gavana ũrĩa ũrarĩ ho nowe ũgũkorwo agĩthiĩ na mbere na gũtungata. Mwena waku wa ũmotho ici nĩ mbica cia kaunti ya Gĩthii ona kuo gũkũ ntũgũtwara kuo na njĩra ĩmwe kwa ũmwe. Simba Arati nĩwe gavana mũthure no thutha igongona rĩrĩ onake nĩ ũgũkorwo agĩtungata ta gavana wa kaunti ĩno ya Gĩthii. Angĩkorwo twĩna thauti katona kana tũgũtwara kũu na njĩra ĩmwe kwa ũmwe tũthikĩrĩrie gavana mũthure Simba Arati akĩoya mĩhĩtwa yake nĩgetha rĩu atuĩke gavana wa kaunti ya Gĩthii. Arathurirwo na kĩama kĩa ODM. Tuko tũgũcokia kũu kaunti-inĩ ya Gĩthii kahinda gatarĩ haraya tũthikĩrĩrie gavana Simba Arati
kuonyesha rasmi anaanza kazi yake leo tarehe 25. Wapi shangwe na nderemo?
We can be seated now, those who have seats. The President-elect of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, Dr. William Ruto, the incoming Governor of Nairobi City County, Your Excellency Johnson Sakaja, the outgoing Governor of Nairobi City County. Yes, thank you. Her Excellency Anne Kananu, the Speaker of the County Assembly, the Director of the Nairobi Metropolitan Services, Major General Badi, the Presiding Judge, Nairobians, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is a culmination of a long journey that we have walked together with the people of this great city. It has been a tough experience, and we are now more than ever prepared to deliver what Nairobi residents desire for their leadership. I wish to sincerely thank the Kenya Kwanza Alliance for all the support they accorded the Johnson Sakaja Njoroge Mushiri ticket, led by our President-elect, His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, and DP-elect His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Kenya Kwanza enabled the voice of Mama Mboga, boda riders, the small traders, and all the hustlers out there to be heard. We thank you for that support. My role as Deputy Governor shall be to assist my boss, the new Governor, His Excellency Johnson Sakaja, to deliver on our mandate and on all the pledges we made during the campaigns. We will do our best to deliver all of them. I will be particularly keen on ensuring that we make Nairobi pro-business by streamlining the licensing regime and building systems to make it easier for Nairobi residents and business people to not only receive services, but to also pay what is due to the county government. It is your cooperation that will enable us to meet our revenue targets and to use the same revenue to deliver services to you. I will be, therefore, ready to work with yourselves and the other elected leaders in the city to ensure that we keep on our promise of creating a city of order and dignity and hope and opportunities for all. To the staff of Nairobi City County Government, my office shall be open to you. We have heard your issues and we shall address them expeditiously. In turn, you will be expected to deliver efficiently and support the governor's programs, arrived at through extensive interactions with members of the public. You know, we went to every corner and every part of this county and listened to what people told us and what they wanted us to do, and we put that in our promise to yourselves. And as I conclude, I wish to thank my family for standing by me through the arduous campaign period. You have been my pillar, and I truly thank you and thank God for you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to invite His Excellency, my friend, the Honorable Sakaja Arthur Johnson, the fourth Governor of City County of Nairobi, to make his remarks. Your Excellency, sir.
Asante sana. Let's be seated. Asanteni sana. Thank you, everyone. God is good, and all the time, and that's His nature. I must begin today by saying thank you. Thank you all. Asanteni sana. Where do I start? It has been a long journey. Maybe I should start from the beginning so that you can understand my motivation and what this day means to me and what this day means to Nairobi. I grew up less than 2 kilometers from here, in Ngara, in Nairobi. I remember as children growing up, we lived in a neighborhood of contrasts. While we weren't poor, I wouldn't say we were poor, but our estate wasn't the best either. And I'm so happy to see my relatives all here. It wasn't as organized or as clean as our neighbors. And I've given this story many times. And I always wondered why that was so. Especially compared to our immediate neighboring estate that seemed like heaven to us. The roads were nicer, there was no litter, the grass was even greener. But I eventually got to know at that young age that it was because that neighborhood did not necessarily have better people, they were just organized. They had created a sense of community. They had selected good leadership, and things worked. So being the politician I was, even then 7 years of age, I organized a demonstration to protest that system. I got other children involved and things began working. And I'm proud to say that even then we started seeing change. I've also just learned that today, on this day, August the 25th, in 2012, Neil Armstrong, who was the first person to set foot on the moon, died at 82. He accomplished that at age 38, which is a year older than me at that time. And what I really admired about him was the ability to dream. If Neil and his team were bold enough to dream to be the first people on the moon, what is stopping us as Nairobians, including the 7-year-olds out there like I was, from hoping for a working city? I don't think it is too much for us to ask for. We can do it. From Kayole to Langata, Makadara to Dagoretti, throughout the entire span of our 17 sub-counties, 85 wards, Nairobi is full of vibrant culture, inspiration, ambition, energy, and hope. And I have always believed that all we need is a working city, and we will become unstoppable, that we will become a regional and global force. This is what we stand for: a city of order, a city of dignity, a city of hope, and a city of opportunity for all. We can make Nairobi work together. At this point, Your Excellency, President-elect, and all the leaders here, I want to acknowledge my competitors, especially my friend Polycarp Igathe, who I sat with recently, and he excused himself for today saying he's traveling. I want to acknowledge him because many of you might not know, but really running for office is above all an act of patriotism and courage. And like any race, the best political contest challenge candidates to their very best and to the end of their wits. So thank you, Polycarp Igathe, for engaging on the issues and for moving our county and our politics forward in the most positive way. You are a true embodiment of Siasa Safi, which I believe in. Thank you, Polycarp. And also thank you for all the other candidates. I've seen my friend Haman Grewal somewhere here. You saw him at the earlier debate. He did very well. Thank you, Haman, for being here. And we hope that we can all work together because the politics is over now. Nairobians want services. Nairobians want all our ideas moving together for the sake of the city of Nairobi. It would be remiss for me to talk about Nairobi that we aspire to have without recognizing the many, many individuals and leaders on whose shoulders it's an honor for us to stand. The story of Nairobi has been a story that has been unfolding for decades. It has many authors. This is just a new chapter, and I hope this will be its best chapter yet. From the first mayor of Nairobi, Charles Rubia, to the last mayor, George Aladwa, from the first governor under this constitution, Governor Evans Kidero, to Governor Mike Sonko Mbuvi, Governor Ann Kananu, my sister who is here, as well as Major General Badi of the NMS, thank you. And thank you to all the others who have faithfully served this county. I want to thank the MCAs who have been there, the former councillors, the former city fathers that we used to call. They have all played a part to bring Nairobi to where it is today, and it is an honor for us to take it to the next level and to the next level, and to take it to higher heights as Nairobi. And we will do it. That is our commitment. But most of all, I want to thank the citizens of Nairobi. The quality of any democracy is defined by the caliber of its citizens. And in this election, the citizens of Nairobi proved their mettle and made this country proud. We actively engaged in the process. We debated, we deliberated, we shared our views, our aspirations, and our concerns. You showed up to vote. And most of all, we maintained respect for each other, which is the true definition of peace. You voted across party lines, across tribal lines, beyond that divide, and we showed this country what the people of Nairobi are truly made of. The symbolism of this election might be bigger than what we might understand now. But today, in Mathare, in Kibera, in Roysambu, in Dandora, in Westlands, if Sakaja Johnson is the governor of Nairobi, every child knows.
Kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kahinda gatari hano ndina tukumanyithia uria maundu maikaire kaunti-ini ingi itiganite ntugutwara kuria guku ni thiini wa kaunti ya Homa Bay kuria governor mweru Gladys Wanga ni hindi ya roya mihito yake tuthikiririe mihito iyo.
Honorable Gladys Atieno Nyasuna Wanga, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Homa Bay County. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I shall do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Congratulations, Governor Ode.
Kune thiini wa kaunti ya Homa Bay, governor wa mbere mutumia thiini wa kaunti no Gladys Wanga akihitithio thiini wa kaunti no. Riu anyitanire na atumia angi aria nao mathuritwo ta magavana thiini wa kaunti itiganite, kwa muhiano Kawira Mwangaza kule thiini wa kaunti ya Meru, ona thiini wa kaunti no mutumia wa mbere Fatma Chani kule thiini wa kaunti ya Kwale, ona kenwe mutumia wa mbere thiini wa kaunti ino, na mundu ogwitwo Kihika kuria thiini wa kaunti ya Naikuru Susan Kihika, hamwe na governor wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Anne Mobi Waiguru uria nake athuritwo itina riake ria keri arita governor wa kaunti iyo ya Kirinyaga. Githurano giki magavana atumia ni aigi ukiringithania na ithurano cia mwaka wa 2017 na 2013. Tuli na magavana maratemero thiini wa kaunti ithano iritanjira gukionania atumia nao ni marathi na mbere na kwiyukiriria mari othe. Tuli na magavana atumia maratemero kaunti mugwanja iritanjira gukionania atumia nao ni marathi na mbere na kwiyukiriria. Na bica icio rona mwena wa kuo motho na wa urio ni atumia eri marehĩtithio ta governor mwena wa Naikuru mwena wa urio na Homa Bay, kaunti ya Homa Bay. Gladys Wanga ni akorwo ehĩtithio ta governor wa kaunti ya Homa Bay. Wona tuona thauti kule thiini wa kaunti ya Naikuru ntugutwara kuu ninge tuthikiririe uria Susan Kihika governor muthure kana ni ehĩtithĩtio agatuĩka governor. Kaunti ya Kiambu na kuo governor wa Matangi ni akorwo kana ni hindi igongona ria kumuhĩtithia rirathii na mbere. Tugutware kuona njira moko mukuria kaunti-ini ya Kiambu tuthikiririe uria igongona ria kuhĩtithia governor muthure Kimani wa Matangi rirathii na mbere.
So I'll ask His Excellency to lift the Bible with his right hand. Your Excellency, Judge, please. I now ask that you take the oath.
I, Honorable Dr. Paul Kimani Wamatangi, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Kiambu County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I shall do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, without favor, without affection or ill will, so help me God.
You will be guided. Asanteni sana. It is now time for His Excellency to sign the oath with Honorable Justice Mshila witnessing the signing. Thank you very much. I confirm that His Excellency has signed the oath. He is now signing his certificate of inauguration as Governor of Kiambu County. Now, the third document that His Excellency the Governor is signing is that he commits to the Leadership and Integrity Code for state officers as required under the Leadership and Integrity Act. We have Mr. Ben Murray representing the Ethics and Anti-Corruption. Please join us. The Governor has now signed the oaths. And I ask that the judge takes the seat to witness the signatures of His Excellency the Governor. Just come and stand behind the judge. She will swear that with you. Let her co-sign that. Linda, where's the seal? Ladies and gentlemen, now that the oath and certificate of inauguration has been signed, we are now preparing to seal the same with the seal of the High Court of the Republic of Kenya so that it can be a valid and legal document. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now done with the signing, witnessing, and sealing. I now request Honorable Lady Justice Abigail Mishila to step forward and present to His Excellency the Governor his oath duly signed, witnessed, and sealed. And thereafter present to you your Governor. Thank you. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you very much, Honorable Lady Justice. Excellency Governor, you may now take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? Tafadhalini tutulie. Now the next order of business is the swearing in of the Deputy Governor-elect, Her Excellency Kirika Rosemary Njeri. If it pleases your ladyship, I ask that you step forward and witness the swearing in of Her Excellency. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to confirm that Her Excellency, the Deputy Governor, elected to take oath and not to be affirmed. I therefore request Her Excellency to place her left hand on the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya 2010 and lift the Bible with her right hand. I now ask, in the presence of the Honorable Judge, that Her Excellency recites the oath of office for Deputy Governor.
I, Honorable Rosemary Njeri Kirika, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kiambu County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all, in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I'll ask that you take your seat over there. Honorable Lady Justice Mshila, I ask that you now sign the oath. Ladies and gentlemen, the Deputy Governor shall sign the oath of office and will also commit to the Leadership and Integrity Code for state officers as required under the Leadership and Integrity Act, as witnessed by Lady Justice Mshila. I wish also to confirm that we have Mr. Ben Murray, representing Anti-Corruption Commission Chief Executive Officer.
So shukri gatho niguthi na mbere na kunyitania na ithue igongona ria kwihitirio kwa governor wa county ya Kiambu riu ni atuika governor mundu gwitwo Fauru Kimani wa Matangi niwe governor mweru kuria thiini wa county ya Kiambu. Igongona riu no tari rirathi na mbere kuria thiini wa county ya Nyeri. Governor Mutahi Kahiga na kuhana ro uguo ngurani ya kuria county ya Nyeri ni ati we ni guthurwo arathurwo itena ria keria thi na mbere na gutuika governor no ukoretwo agitungata arita governor wa county no ya Nyeri na riu nake ni agithurwo ari ta governor. Koguo mihitio ria tugutariithia hau kabere ya uhoro wigie governor uria urouma ukorwo akinengera governor mweru gatiba na matumo mange ma utongoria igongona riu tio korwo rigithi na mbere kuria thiini wa county ya Nyeri. Ngurani ingi ni ati kuria thiini wa county ya Nyeri munini wa president Muthure Rigathi Gachagua niwe mugani wa gitio kuria thiini wa county ya Nyeri. Tugutwara kuna njira imwe komwe kahinda gatareha nigetha guku nakuo tuthikiririe uria igongona riu rirathie na mbere. Mwana wakuo mutho ni wakiona igongona riu ni kurikirira rirarikirira kuria thiini wa county ya Kiambu na thutha ucio governor hamwe na munini wake ni megukorwo makiariria kana makiheana ndumiriri yao thutha wao guthurwo mari hamwe kuria thiini wa county ya Kiambu. Wona manjia kwaria ntutwara kuna njira imwe komwe tuthikiririe ndumiriri iria megukorwo nacio kuri muingi wa county ya Kiambu. Orege watho ugite governor uria urouma gituruini niwe wagirire kunengerana indo icio twatararia hau kabere ta gatiba sili ya county no watho cio ugite governor uria urariho angia gwikinyitha thiini wa igongona riri gutiri undu ukurugama igongona riu no gikorwo rigithie na mbere. Riu mwena ucio waku wa umotho guku ni thiini wa county ya Nyeri tugucokia bica-ini icio ciuma mwena wa urio kahinda gatari haraya kuu ni thiini wa county ya Naikuru. Guku ni thiini wa county ya Nyeri tugutwara kuria county ya Naikuru kahinda gatari haraya. Ona county ya Machakos wa Vinya Ndeti ni mwa atumia aria mekwihitithio ta magavana thiini wa county iyo ya Machakos kuona kuntu twara kuo kahinda gatari haraya na njira ya imwe kwa imwe tuthikiririo ria igongona riu rirathie na mbere. Mwana ucio wa urio mwena wa iguru uria urari governor wa county ya Machakos Alfred Mutua Nuraheana ndumiriri hau thutha na thutha ucio nĩ ũkorwo kinengera utongoria wa kaunti kuri Wavinya Ndeti niwe governor wa mbere mutumia gutungatira kaunti ino ya Machakos. Wana governor Kahiga ajia kuga mehitwa yake ni tutwara kuu nigetha tuthikiririe akiuga mehitwa yake. Ririkana onoko ni guthia athii na mbere arita governor wa county no ya Nyeri ni kweruhirio wathani wake arita governor wa county wa Nyeri nikio ario nginya auge mehitwa yo ringi. Kete gutwara kuu na njira imwe kwemwe.
I, the Honorable Mwalimu Edward Mutahi Kahiga, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic in the office of the Governor of Nyeri County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me, O God.
My pleasure to call upon your Lordship to come and hand over the certificate to the Governor and present the Governor to the public. you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Your Lordship. I now call upon His Excellency, the Deputy Governor-elect, to come and take his place for the purposes of taking the oath.
I, Honorable David Mwangi Kinanire Waroe, I do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people of the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Nyeri County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform the functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, aversion, or ill will. So help me God.
Johnson Arthur Sakaja, and your good deputy, James Njoroge Mushiri, and your families, all elected leaders present here, the Director General of NMS, and the great people of Nairobi, good afternoon. Hamjambo.
To present the oath to the Deputy Governor and present the Deputy Governor to the public.
Kenya Kwanza family, congratulations. You have made us proud. I want to take this opportunity at this very early moment, not only to congratulate you, but to wish you well as you take over the reins of governor of this great city, which also is the capital of the Republic of Kenya. As I congratulate you, Governor, I congratulate all the other governors that are being sworn in today across Kenya. I know about 45 governors will be sworn in today or have been sworn in already. And I want to say to all the governors of the Republic of Kenya, congratulations. And I pledge that the government of Kenya, the national government of Kenya, will work with all the governors of Kenya in making Kenya a great nation. In a very special way, allow me to pass very special congratulations to the women elected governors of the Republic of Kenya. In this election, the people of Kenya made yet another historic decision. The 3 governors that were elected in 2017 that are women, we now have 7 women elected as governors in the Republic of Kenya. And I want to say congratulations to the women of the Republic of Kenya and to those who have been elected as governors. Very special congratulations to Fatuma Achani, the elected governor of Kwale County. Very special congratulations to Cecily Mbarire, the elected governor of Embu County. Very special congratulations to Anne Mumbi Waiguru, the elected governor of Kirinyaga County. Very special congratulations to Governor Faith Kawira, the elected governor of Meru County. Very special congratulations to Avinya Ndeti in your counties, and to all the other governors that have been elected in the Republic of Kenya. I want to say just 2 things to our governors, starting with my good friend Johnson Sakaja, that you will have the undivided support of the government of Kenya as you discharge your responsibilities in your counties. I know, having been chair of the Intergovernmental Budget and Economic Council, that we have had challenges on matters to do with release of shareable revenue on time. I want to commit to all our governors that the government of Kenya going forward will make it possible that the shareable revenue will be released in time and in accordance with the law and the Constitution, so that we can better manage our counties and make it possible for you to deliver on your mandate and the commitments you have made to the constituents in your counties. Let me also say that we are going to work with you on making sure that counties build the capacity to raise resources on their own source of revenue channel, to make it possible for additional resources from the shareable revenue, from own sources of revenue, so that you can better deliver on services and on the mandate that you have been appropriated to by the Constitution in your counties. I also want to commit that we will work hard. I have already discussed with the Kenya Revenue Authority on how to raise revenue, and I commit that we will work together with you so that Kenya can live within its means, and there will be no tall men or big girls, that the rule of law is going to equalize every Kenyan so that each one of us can pay their taxes. There will be no exemptions on anybody on account of paying taxes. I want to commit that going into the future, the rule of law will be the benchmark, that all of us, irrespective of who we are, will be expected to live by the rule of law. I want to commit to all my friends in leadership that we are going to work together to make Kenya a country of opportunity. That every citizen of the Republic of Kenya working hard will access opportunity without the necessity of having any connection. As we go into the future, and especially in the city of Nairobi, you know, my brother Johnson, that you are a miracle candidate. That your election to the city governor of Nairobi is indeed a miracle. And it wouldn't have happened without God. And I want to appreciate that you have understood and underscored the place of faith and God in your election as the governor of the city of Nairobi. I want to tell you, my friend and brother, that we will work with you. We have confidence in you. We are proud of you. And we know the great city of Nairobi has the best that it can get in terms of governor. I also will be available to consult. You know the commitments we already made to the people of Nairobi with respect to market infrastructure, the commitments we have made in matters collection and management of garbage. You know the commitments we have made in matters to do with transport infrastructure for the great city of Nairobi. And you know, my brother, the commitments we have made in making sure that every hustle will count in the great city of Nairobi. I will be on hand to support you. And finally, you and me have already discussed on making the rivers of Nairobi places of opportunity, enterprise, and business, as opposed to what it is today, a place of filth and raw sewage. You and me have discussed on the Nairobi Rivers Commission. I will be looking forward to consultation so that we can set it up and begin to truly make this great city a city of dignity, in your own words, and a city of opportunity. To all my fellow citizens of the Republic of Kenya, I want to urge us, as we go into the future, you have spoken to us loudly. And I want to ask all the leaders of the Republic of Kenya to listen to the loud message that is coming from the citizens of our country. The citizens of our country are speaking to us loudly that they want their politics to be non-tribal and they want their politics to be peaceful. In this election, we have seen a very new phenomenon, that we all voted and the next day we were ready to go to work and we were ready to go on with our lives and everybody onto their hustle. That is the loud statement that is coming from the people of Kenya to those of us who are leaders. I am asking all of us as leaders to listen to what the people of Kenya are saying so that we can conclude the remaining steps of our election in a peaceful, orderly, respectful manner, respecting all the institutions that will discharge their responsibilities, because we are a country governed by law, by the rule of law, and by our constitution. I want to conclude again by asking all the leaders of the great city of Nairobi, from our good friends, members of the County Assembly, and the workers of the great city of Nairobi, to join hands with the new leadership under Johnson Sakaja and take our great city to the next level. And I want to commit and pledge to you that we will be available to work with you, because Nairobi is our collective business. Asanteni sana, nawatakia baraka ya Mungu, and may the good Lord bless you. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much. We are going to have a short photo session. The first photo session. And then the next photo session, Your Excellency, is a family. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Under the Constitution, you can do the same and present to the public and assert that you are going to do so. The flag. Your Excellency, in the same breadth and strength, we have the county flag. The county flag, basically, it demonstrates that you, as a governor of the county, you are going to hold together people of this great county, demonstrate that there is of peace in terms of development. You are going to make sure that this town grows to the extent of your manifesto, Tichtire. That is what it signifies. Thank you so much, Deputy Governor. Kindly come close. The team. Your Excellency, the final image of power is that this seal signifies that gives you authority to conduct as much control of this county to the extent without fear or favor under the legislation of the county government. You have that authority. This is reaffirmed again as it was done in 2017, so it is so. And the Deputy Governor, First Lady, you can now take your seats. Thank you very much. My name was Edwin Somondi. I return back the microphone to our protocol. Lead Mr. Bob carry on with the function as it should be.
Tumemshamfurahia gavana na deputy. Makofi and from the dais here, Makofi from the governor and the DG. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Now it's my humble pleasure to invite the deputy governor to run a short program here and then invite the governor.
Tocokere gatha cia mwanya nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyitanithio mbica cioro na ciĩ nyingĩ twakũruta muono twara kaunti ingĩ nĩ magongona ma kwĩhĩtithio kwa magavana thĩinĩ wa kaunti itiganĩte kũringana na watho. Magavana ma kaunti itiganĩte magĩrĩire kwĩhĩtithio thikũ 10 thutha wa gĩthurano gũtabanio. Gĩthurano gĩatabanio tarĩki 9 mweri ũyũ tũrĩ wa kanana, thikũ 10 thutha ũcio irathiraga tarĩki 19. Wona mũthenya ũcio 19 wakinya, rĩu ũtare thikũ 10 kuma hau ũmũthĩ mũthenya wa kana nĩrĩo magavana mothe magĩrĩire kwĩhĩtithio kũringana na watho. Tiga tu kũrĩa hihi kũngĩkorwo na mĩhĩnga oro yothe, ũmwe wa mĩhĩnga ĩno arĩ hihi kwaga kwa acirithania a igoti-inĩ rĩrĩa magĩrĩirwo gũkorwo magĩtereba magongona maya. Tũkorwo twĩgũcokia kaunti-inĩ itiganĩte kahinda gatarĩ haraya. Gũkũ studio nakuo twĩna mũgeni nĩ wakiri, nĩtũkoretwo nake kahinda gwa kahinda agĩtũteithĩrĩria gũtũthathaũrĩra maũndũ matiganĩte. Wakiri wa Rongo Mwangi, karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Thengio mũno nĩ gwĩkinyia gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ. Magongona ma mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ nĩtwakĩona magĩgĩthiĩ na mbere kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa kaunti itiganĩte. Kwĩna magavana erũ marathurwo, kũrĩa angĩ arĩa maratungata matĩna mao ma kerĩ. Na ndikĩũĩ kũringana na mawoni maku, magavana arĩa mathurwo marĩ erũ nĩ maũndũ marĩkũ magĩrĩire kwanjia namo kana kwanjia gwĩkĩrĩra kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa kaunti iria mathurĩtwo rungu rwacio?
Nĩ wega twambie na njoerere harĩa watigĩra atĩ magavana aya 45 45 tondũ erĩ matirĩ marathurwo. Twĩna 26 arĩa nĩo erũ. Twĩna angĩ 11 arĩa maracokire mararĩ kuo ta gavana wa kũrĩa ũguo gĩcigo kĩa Nyĩrĩ. Na twĩna angĩ 8 arĩa marĩ kuo tamu ya mbere ya ũtongoria between 2013 na 2017 maracokire. Koguo aya othe tũkũgeria kũmathathaũra tũkĩrongoreria mũno aya erũ 26. Na aya erũ 26 no mũhaka mamenye atĩ wĩra wao wĩ thĩinĩ wa gatiba kĩrĩa gwĩtwo schedule 4. Part 2 ĩrĩa yonanagia function kana maũndũ marĩa county government yagĩrĩirwo kũruta. Part 1 ĩkonania function na power na authority ya kĩrĩa gwĩtwo national government. Part 2 ĩkonania county government. Koguo no mũhaka mamenye okorwo he maũndũ marĩa magwĩka harĩ Akenya, either county iria mathurĩirwo, either marĩ immediate, either marĩ short term kana long term, no mũhaka maũndũ macio mathiĩ na ũndũ ũmwe na function iria mahetwo nĩ gatiba gaitũ. Koguo gũtirĩ hĩndĩ atĩ mũndũ agũka auge hihi nĩ agwaka university, ĩyo ti function yake. Hihi nĩ agũka kũgũithagũithia mathogora ma indo, ĩyo ti function yake. Koguo no mũhaka ũndũ wothe akũhota gwĩka ĩthiĩ harĩ function iria 14 ciĩ thĩinĩ wa part 2. Maũndũ ma ngirigaca, maũndũ ma health in terms of promote andũ arĩa mandĩkĩtwo mathibitarĩ-inĩ maitũ, gũtigĩrĩra mathibitarĩ maitũ me na ndawa. Koguo no mũhaka maũndũ macio gĩkonio kwenda gũka kũ rescue county
arĩ hamwe na ECD,
nĩ tuga elementary education. No mũhaka ũtigĩrĩre maũndũ macio nĩ wahota gũka kũmeka. Ĩyo nĩ kuma perspective ya mũrutĩre wao wa wĩra. Koguo no mũhaka maũndũ marĩa gavana arabanga gwĩka matigĩrĩre nĩ mathiania na function kana maũndũ marĩa ehokeirwo nĩ gatiba gaitũ na maũndũ marĩa ahetwo hinya gwĩkĩra mũingĩ nĩ gatiba gaitũ.
Na ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa makoretwo magĩikarĩra ma gavana kũrĩa matũũra-inĩ na nginya bũrũri wothe handũ warũma-rĩ, nĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũngania wa igoti. Na President Mũthure William Ruto akĩaria kũrĩa nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KICC nĩ auga nĩ marageria kwaranĩria na rũhonge rwa ũngania wa igoti KRA, Kenya Revenue Authority. Nĩkĩ kaunti ingĩka nĩgetha ihũrage thirikari nene njeki kana rũhonge rwa KRA harĩ ũngania wa igoti, tondũ gĩcunjĩ kĩnene kĩa bajeti itũ gĩthiaga harĩ mbeca iria igayagĩrwo kaunti, no nacio ciĩna wĩra wa kũngania igoti kũrĩa matũũra-inĩ. Nĩkĩ kaunti ingĩka nĩgetha ciĩkĩrĩre ũngania wa igoti o ta ũrĩa thirikari nene ĩkagĩrĩra, nĩgetha thirikari ciarĩ ihũrane njeki, tũtige kwĩhoka mũno mbeca iria ciũnganagio nĩ thirikari nene?
No mũhaka tũgwete atĩ kaunti citikoretwo cigĩkĩrĩra mũno management njega ya kũngania magoti. nĩ gũkoretwo hihi na loophole harĩ ũngania wa magoti wa county nĩ ũkũririkana na hĩndĩ ĩrĩa rũhonge rwa NMS rwokire thĩinĩ wa county ya Nairobi kĩndũ kĩa mbere rwambire gwĩka nĩ ũrĩa magoti maronganio ĩgakorwo hihi ũhoro ũcio ti very clear nginya ũrĩa mbeca cigana ciũnganagio no mũhaka tũhote kũ account mbeca ici per day tondũ mbeca ici nocio ciũkaga cigatwarĩrwo thirikari nene cikareherwo thirikari nini nĩguo hihi Wanjikũ ahote gwakĩrwo bara kũreherwo maĩ out of biashara ĩrĩa yake araruta okorwo nĩ ũkui wa taxi kana matatũ okorwo he kĩgĩna kĩrĩa mararĩha okorwo nĩwe wĩna mũndũ kĩũmba nĩ ũkũrĩha parking fee gũkũ Nairobi kana county o ĩrĩa ĩngĩ koguo out of marĩhi macio you also expect nayo thirikari yoya mbeca icio ihote ku reciprocate na ũkagũthondekera parking ĩyo kana mabara macio okorwo nĩ iria cikuoyo cia levy cia manyũmba gũtigĩrĩra nyũmba ĩyo nĩ accessible na kĩndũ tũgũka maĩ through ũheani wa maĩ wa county koguo no mwaka county okorwo citirĩ na titles kana mawatho marũmu ma woi wa magoti no mwaka mambe macoke kwĩ county assembly ciao na mahote gũtighten kana kũnyitanyitia mawatho mao ma woi wa kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo revenue secondary macoke moke na mĩtaratara mĩrũmu ĩrĩa twĩtaga system rũmu
njĩtĩkĩria ngũrenge hanini tũgũtware kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Kĩrĩnyaga tũthikĩrĩrie governor wa igũrũ akĩrĩa kana akĩoya mĩhĩtwa yake
my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Kuni kaunti-inĩ ya Kĩrĩnyaga ndagĩka cigana na hau kabere governor wa kaunti ĩno Anne Mũmbi wa igũrũ akĩhĩtithio itĩna rĩake rĩa kerĩ ta governor nĩrĩo rĩa kerĩ na rĩo rĩgũkorwo rĩrĩa mũthia arĩ ta governor wa kaunti ya Kĩrĩnyaga tũko twĩgũcokia kaunti-inĩ ingĩ itiganĩte ũrĩa tũgũkorwo tũkĩamũkĩra mbica icio wakiri gũtaragĩria ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũngania wa igoti na ũrĩa thirikari cingĩhũrwo na njeki
gũtigĩrĩra atĩ no mũhaka moke na mĩtaratara na system rũmu biũ cia kũngania magoti na matigĩrĩre atĩ system icio citiralink kana citirĩ na loophole harĩ cio nĩguo mahote koguo twambia kuga na gũkorwo na watho okorwo of course county nyingĩ nĩ ciĩna watho no mwaka mawatho macio ma county matwarane na watho ũrĩa ũrũgamĩrĩire ũrũgamĩrĩri wa mbeca kana ũhũthĩri wa mbeca wa county ĩrĩa twĩtaga PFM Public Finance Management Act na matigĩrĩre woi wa kĩgĩna thĩinĩ wa county nĩ ũroyo in a very clear way na system iria cikũhota kuoya okorwo nĩ ta cia parking system okorwo nĩ ũrĩa higũthia gũkĩũnganiagio mbeca biacara-inĩ okorwo nĩ he kĩgĩna kĩrarutwo nĩ andũ matatũ okorwo he levy ciroywo citigĩrĩre ũngania ũcio wĩna ũigĩrĩrĩki kana wĩna transparency na openness nĩguo mbeca icio cihote gũkorwo cikĩũnganio na county igakorwo na kũmenya okorwo twĩ county ya Murang'a kana ya Nyĩrĩ kana ya Nairobi kamũira gũtukĩte no rĩa mbeca ciraingĩra thĩinĩ wa account na accountability yayo county ĩhotaga kũngania mbeca cigana na ũhoro ũcio nĩguo akenya mahote gũbuatĩra ĩkorwo nĩ ũhoro consistent ati ni minus or plus ati ũmũthĩ county nĩ yoya milioni 10 mande wengĩ nĩ yoya milioni 2 hau nĩ hakũrĩze maũndũ ma audit tũrĩ gũkũrigwo nĩkĩ gĩatũmire hĩndĩ ĩyo moe milioni 10 na ũmũthĩ nĩ ciathiĩ short of milioni 8 koguo no mwaka gũkorwo na consistency na tũya Kenya tũmenye county hotaga kuoya mbeca cigana tondũ nĩ mbeca cia mũingĩ na nĩcio mbeca iria cikũhotithia county cihote kũruta maũndũ mao kũringana na schedule 4 ya gatiba maũndũ macio tugire 14 makoragwo matigĩirwo thirikari cia matũra
ũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩngĩenda ũtũteithĩrĩrie gũtũthathaũrĩa nĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ gũthũrima ũrĩa county ici igũkorwo ikĩruta wĩra ũthũrimi ũyũ ũgĩtabanio nĩ honge igĩrĩ bunge ya senate na nginya bunge cia matũra kana bunge cia county assembly itiganĩte ta rĩu tuoe mũhiano wa governor wathurwo na kĩama kĩna senator no wa kĩama kĩu na hihi assembly yake yothe mathurwo na kiama kimwe uthurimi ucio wa uria governor ekuruta wira ugukorwo utariete kwa muhiano kuria thiini wa county ya Nyeri ugukorwo uhana atia tukiringithania na governor wa thurwo na kiama kimwe senator wake hihi ona tuge no wake amoro kiu no bungeri ma MCA areingi mathurwo na kiama kingi ni mwena uriku uthurimi wa uruti wira wa governor gukorwo uri mwagiriru kuri muingi ni ara mathurwo na kiama kimwe kana ni arehe na ngurani
obere lwega juki ati ngurani ire turona na ndionire hihi county ta 8 kana 10 ni urona hihi governor na MCA ake hihi matiumite either kiama kimwe kana mwaho umwe ugakora hi governor ta guku gicigo kia Nairobi no wa Kenya Kwanza kiama kia UDA na majority are county assembly members aria magiro kumu oversight na weka representation na kumuteithiriria hari uthondeki-ini wa mawatho including watho wa urugamiriri wa kigina kana ungania wa kigina wa county ugakora ni Azimio
Azimio mena 44 na Kenya Kwanza mena 37
koguo ugakora hena ngurani iyo na ugakora ngurani iyo no ire koragwo hi kurugwo ta bururi wa America ugakora hi the upper house Republican yaike la wakathini wa the lower house ugakora Democrat yaike koguo no mwaka ukola kindu gitagwo political goodwill political goodwill ni wendi mwega wa gisiasa hari guteithia muingi no muhaka governor uyu ameke kindu twitaga shuttle diplomacy ahote kuiguithania na andu amagwitwo county assembly members niguo ahotithie ati gotigo kona any political prejudice ya MCAs against the governor ati kuga tundu from a political perspective ati tundu tiwa kiama gitu ati ola ayaka kahitia kanini kumurekebisha kala oversight kala kumukunya gwitwa ukorari kumuhagura tundu twina numbers koguo no mwaka ukoro kwila political goodwill nene muno ya MCAs no mwaka ukorwo kwina political goodwill ya mundu gwitwo governor na tuge oversight independaga na MCA o enyewe tulo kore hi governor no Azimio na ukore hihi majority of the MCAs aria mara munyafara ni andu aria tukuga ni a Kenya Kwanza na hiyo kore MCA acio hihi he undu marekwo hihi kala kuheo kindu niguo matikamugie kana matikauge hindi ya kwena ngukumio koguo oka ni unyafari wa indo cia muingi hari MCA through oversight na representation ni purely out of political goodwill la hihi makorola wendi thiini wao wa gukorwo ni makwenda guteithia mu Kenya fola gutire handu tungiuga ati ni hahega kana ni hahoru ikudepend no aria icingi ciguthie andu makwota cooperate no mwaka gukorwo kwina kindu tungita doctrinal separation of power gatagatika honge icigiri tuga kuri moko meri thiini wa thirikari citu cia matura he guoko kuu kwa governor na he guoko kwa mundu gwitwo MCA magitongorio ni speaker na karaka gitongoria andu magwitwo staff account assembly na ke speaker kioneka gutongoria the political wing koguo no muhaka moko maya America la honge icigiri cia miathanire ya matura mahote ku maintain independence yao under the doctrine separation of power na no mwaka maririkane muthenya farifari ati gukiri na interdependence kana he kurututhania kwa wira tondu no muhaka mundu gwitwo governor ategeme bunge cia matura cimuhitukirie besha niguo ote kurutira Wanjiku wira koguo uhoi witu lete gutigakona muhingisha tondu governor no wa Kenya Kwanza kwela sabotage ya andwa hihi MCAs Azimio ni wega kinya miaka 5 ndagakorwo hi arutite wira
hau atariria ha goodwill na ndukorwo makianiria ni tukinyete hau utatine witu thiini ta bururi wa Kenya kwa muhiano angikorwo tutanathurwo ririkana turari miaho-ini iri ngurani irahana ta iracindana koguo ithue mwaho itu agikorwo ithue ma MCA na ithue ingire tutingetindikiririo ni kiama agikoni thuritwo ni mwaho kana kiama kina utongoria wa kiama tutindikiririo turita ma MCA to punish kana tuherithie governor uria uri kuona njira ya kugiria atongorie koguo tuige utati witu mbere ya bururi kana mbere ya county yo
nima niturola gukura kwa democracy hari mwikire wa maundu thini wa bururi wa Kenya either thini wa national government na county government na kiria wauga lo ikorwo iri possible from a political perspective nere hihi strategy tukoretwo tukiaria lai hatukauga ati siasa ni maundu matatu strategy resources na numbers koguo hino ukorwo hiwe mubango wa mundu kala kiama iria tuga long ball kana mufira muraihu ati hihi ona no to sabotage governor oyu dakali gukola kindu ya gwitia lakio kala ukakwira muingi niekite yoka 2027 that's the first reason wa mbere mauge hihi no mabange strategy na mundu gwitwo munini wa governor mauge nginya tukumu impeach niguo munini wa governor oerere na atuike governor na hiya gakorwo ari wa mwahuka na hiyo na makoro na conveyance na gatagati kona mamwereru na oya no tuthurire umwe witu ari munini waku wa governor koguo no twakatumenye siasa ni strategy na kio turuga ni harendeka kindu kitugwita political goodwill na muno magika political goodwill marorerie mu Kenya turuga Kenya kuringana gatiba gaitu twina thirikari igiri twina thirikari ino nene na twina thirikari cia maturire tugo nacio cina semi authority political system gwo turacieta na tukauga ona cio cina mahinya ni ukona ta county ya Nairobi ni kriheagwo 19 billion tugwika mathabu tukola cirathie almost 100 billion hari miaketalo na county no ciguthi cikiheagwo besha ni urona uria maroya mahinya irathiania ta uria mutongoria bururi ehitithagio kogwita latha semi authority kala ni power ingi koguo no muhaka power ici ciothe ino ya national government ino ya matura cimenye ona ciuria cikurutithania wira tondu ri ukwona hihi governor wa Azimio president ya utakorwo ari Kenya kwanza kuringana uria magoti tuguthi hihi president wa kwa Azimio ukore hihi Nairobi governor wa Kenya kwanza na othe no mwaka makona political goodwill na county ciothe nacio honge ici igirikana moko maya ni mathirikari ona makoro na wega mwega wa gisiasa na murutire wira niguo mamenye end goal yao ni kurutira Wanjiku na Mukenya wira.
Asante thegio muno wakiria twambe tugustware kuria thini wa county ya Meru governor wa mbere mutumia wa county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza tukumenyithie kana tukonie bisha ya uria ciuma hau kaferentu tora ku kahinda gatare haraya bisha cia uria igongona ritambarukire kihitithio kuria thini wa county ya Meru ari hamwe na munini wake na county ya Meru umwe wa maundu mane tuko tukiaririria hana nitukuria wa kiuria kiu ni Kawira Mwangaza athuru arita governor kana tuika governor wa county ya Meru arita governor kiube ndari na kiama orogio the kia uteti no ma MCA ari mari thini wa bunge ya county ya Meru mari thini wa miaho itiganete koguo utugata wake gukorwo uikaire atento ko tugithara uri ruhoro ucio ni wakiri witu muthenya wa muthi no o niguo maundu mego ikaire hau kabere kuria county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza akehitithio.
I, Honorable Bishop Kawira Mwangaza, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Meru County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Honorable Reverend Isaac Mutumanto Edingia, swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Meru County, and I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all, accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Kune thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Meru, Governor Kawira Mwangaza hau kabere akĩhĩtithio ta governor wa kaunti ya Meru. Tũgũtware kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Nandi, hau kabere tuone ũrĩa governor wa kaunti ĩno Stephen Sang nake ehĩtithio. Athurirwo kana ririkana arathurirwo na kĩama kĩa UDA arĩ ta governor wa kaunti ĩno ya Nandi.
Governor, you met me. I, Stephen Kipiego Sang, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people of the Republic of Kenya in the office of Governor of Nandi County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I shall do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Kũu thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Nandi, Governor Stephen Sang hau kabere akĩoya mĩhĩtwa yake arĩ hamwe na mũnini wake wa governor, rĩu megũtungata kana egũtungata arĩ ta governor thĩinĩ wa kaunti ĩno ya Nandi kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 5. Hau kabere nĩ tũgũtwarĩte kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Meru na kahinda gatarĩ haraya tũgũtware kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga kũrĩa Governor Anne Mumbi wa igũrũ. No ici nĩ mbica cia hau kabere kwĩhĩtithio gũkũ nĩ gũkinyĩra mũthia thĩinĩ wa kaunti ici itiganĩte. Ririkana kũringana na watho igongona rĩno nginya rĩtabania gatagatĩ ga thaa 4 na thaa 8, na ngwĩciria nĩkĩo magavana mageririe kũhĩka igongona rĩrĩ. Ũũ nĩguo mũtaratara ũcio ũtambarũkire kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga.
And now, Governor-elect, the oath of office is the one on the podium. I request that you read it loudly in a voice that can be heard, because this is a public swearing.
I, Honorable Anne Mumbi Waigoro, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the same office and justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, ill will. So help me God.
Kũu thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga, wona tuona mbica theru nĩtũgũkorwo tũgĩkũmenyithia ũrĩa igongona rĩu rĩatambarũka kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga. Tũgũtware kaunti-inĩ ya Gĩthumo, kaunti namba 42, Professor Anyang' Nyong'o na njĩra ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nĩ hĩndĩ araheana ndũmĩrĩri yake thutha wake kwĩhĩtithio.
I stand here having solemnly taken the oath of office, administered by the officers of the laws of our land, witnessed by the men and women of God. I have county and this nation honestly, faithfully, and seriously, obeying all laws, spiritual and temporal, to the best of my ability. As part of the Azimio, and I repeat, nobody forced me to say.
Kuna thini wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Professor Anyang' Nyong'o akihitithia kana kihana ndumiriri yake thutha ake kuhitithio ta governor kuria kaunti-ini ya Kisumu. Governor Anyang' Nyong'o wakiri hau kabere nituma kuria thini wa kaunti ya Meru na twakiona Kawira Mwangaza ni hitithio na ni agituika governor mweru wa kaunti ya Meru. No ni mwa magavana maria mathurwo mari magavana kiumbe kana independent. Ego kora kiruta wira na njireta riete tondu maundu ni meri. Wa mbere county assembly yake kana bunge yake na ma MCA matari na mangikwa mari ma MCA kiumbe ni kiumbe mari oene no makirikanire kunyitanira mari othe mari ma MCA kiumbe. Wa keri ekurutithania wira ati na thirikari nene.
Wa mbere no makatugwete ati andu aya mathuragwo me andu kiumbe. No tuike mundu kiumbe hari maundu meri kana matatu tukugweta. Wa mbere no uge ati hihi nduri wa jihusisha na kiama at all ati ukoretwo kiji position strategically and politically we mundu kiumbe. He andu aria matwikire andu kiumbe tondu hindi ria process ya nomination yathirire mweri 22 wa kana. Ni twahetwo andu ni mahetwo window kana kanya ka thiku 10 ukorwo umite kiama no thiurugame mundu kiumbe aria mahotirwo nomination. Koguo ono yuka kurugama mundu kiumbe wali na kindu twitaga party association ya kiama fulani either kiama kia Jubilee ODM kana kiama kia UDA. Koguo ni uroraga as much as ni andu kiumbe matikoragwo la kindu gigwitwo independence yo kana political accreditation yao. Nona ni macokaga muno mwena wa hihi either kiama kiria kiraria thini wa gicigo kiu kiao kia county kana gicigo kiu kia regional kana hi kiama kiria kironeka nikio kirakiritire euphoria kana wave thini wa tribe yao kana hi kiama kiria mari hi mundu akoro hi marakana ni magwagoire no kola ni aracoka muno kiama kiu. That's the first thing. Koguo gakora as much as they are independent candidate matikoragwo na independent of thought. Riu ngirora mundu gwitwo Mohamed kuri uguo Nyari acokire akio kwinyitithania na kiama kana murengo wa mundu gwitwo deputy president. Koguo cio ni uhoro wa mbere. Koguo angikorwo ni ukuona hiyo kenyitithania hituge na Kenya Kwanza wahota higukorwo ni ugukorwo na kirathimo kana blessings cia andu magwitwo MC za Kenya Kwanza. Taru Kawira Mwangaza ni aroreka hi gwira mwena muno wa kindu gigwitwo Kenya Kwanza. Koguo MC ya Kenya Kwanza riu no makorwo hihi nimo magukorwo me mwena wake hitari acio nio agukombithio makwa kurutithania wira nao tondu hau niho ngoro hi kana murutire wake gukorwo riho. So it's more of a political question than a legal question tondu gutire hindi watho ukoretwo we clear ati wathurwo independent candidate wagirwo kurutithania na no magatumenye ati mwathanire kana governance nimo watho na nimo siasa. Koguo there are those things that ciuria tugicokia kana tugetha solution yacio ni kuhuthira muno gi siasa kuri watho toguo ndagikwira ati like example ikuheana ni mundu gwitwo mubunge wa kuri uguo former MP wa kuri uguo Thika Wainaina Jango hindi yathurirwo ari mundu independent na ginya senator wa kuri uguo Kirinyaga former senator Kibiro nuonire ni magire na inclination ya kiama kiria kiari ku mwena wa Mount Kenya 2017 kiama kia Jubilee na muno inclination ya mundu gwitwo President Uhuru wa Kenyatta mind you maumite ciama kiama kiu tundu maugite process dia kiri very fair no gakorwo nduri na option tundu na kuri ogure mathuritwo me independent bunge no mwaka maikie kula mahali fulani ni okoronire hari aria independent abunge 10 hine maratuire itua makauga ati oloko tutigukoo twi thini wa kiama in terms of our political allegiance in terms of our political support tukumitwara he mundu gwitwo president elect William Ruto koguo hotire na watho uhete any prescription kana inscription ati wagirwo guthie na mbere o ko it's more of a political question than a legal question
thank you muno wakiri tuko tugicokeria kahinda gatare hano kwa hinda riri tukwamba tuikirie thutha wa kwamukira ndumiri cigano na cia wonjoria tucokererie na mangi maingi maria turi namo.
Oh, niaje? Ni kama unashanga kwa nini naangalia simu so much